Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have...
Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get the weenies, cocktail weenies. What do you call those? I don't even know. We're gonna go ahead and get those put into the crock pot while I make some of the other items. Now, they won't have to sit in there for too long. I know sometimes I put them in there longer than they probably should be, but they don't need to go in there that long. So I did just pick up the Hillshire Farms little Smokies. If you saw our grocery haul, you would have seen these. Actually, no, I think I got these at Sam's, so these wouldn't have been in the grocery haul. You would have saw some of the other items, though, in the grocery haul. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get these in the crock pot, and then we will move on to the next item, which we're going to make some yummy bean dip. So let's go ahead and get that made and get these in the crock pot.
Never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you...
Alrighty, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make some Chex Mix. Now I picked up, let me see, I picked up this little Chex Mix Party Seasoning Blend at Walmart. They are free. And then I picked up some Chex cereal and stuff between Walmart and Sam's Club. So I thought this would be super fun and go perfectly with our New Year's treats and snacks. So let's go ahead and try to make this. There are two different ways to make it. It says on the back that you can do either the microwave or you can do it in the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and try for the oven. And maybe do the next one in the microwave. I don't know. So it's pretty easy though. It calls for corn Chex, rice Chex, wheat Chex, the seasoning, butter, mixed nuts, pretzels, and then they actually say to use like bagel chips or something, but I got Cheez-Its instead. So let's go ahead and try this out. It's the first time I've ever made anything like this, but my dad has a friend that makes the most amazing Chex Mix, and since we no longer live in Nebraska, we no longer get it anymore, so it just doesn't make it to us. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and try this and see what happens. Hopefully everything turns out really yummy. If you guys are interested though, run to your local Walmart and see. They keep it, there's like a little section down the aisle, down the center of the aisle between that like separates the clothing or the beauty and the food. And so and they had like a stand that had a bunch of cereal and stuff, and this was there. So hopefully you guys can find it. If not, I don't know. I don't know where else to find it, but there's definitely, I'm sure, ideas on Pinterest and anything else if you are interested in making your own Chex Mix. This just makes it a lot simpler.
This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. I see your stories and I can't believe all the people you meet. Think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do, cause you don't see straight when it comes to her. No, everything. She's not gonna give you everything. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more. No, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love
Alrighty guys, that was way more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I ended up using both packets that I got. I thought I was going to be able to make a double batch. However, the more I was stirring it, the more the cereal was breaking up. And I'm like, okay, this is not going to work because it's just breaking apart the cereal. And not enough of the butter is getting on everything. So I went ahead, let's see, what is it? 12 tablespoons of butter with 2 packets of the seasoning mix. And then I just added another cup of Cheez-Its and another cup of the mixed nuts. I did not add any more cereal, so hopefully it'll be okay. Hopefully it won't be too much. But anyway, so now it's in the oven. It goes in the oven at 250 for an hour, and you're supposed to mix it every 15 minutes. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, I just didn't feel like it had enough of the seasoning butter mixture on it, and I couldn't mix it anymore. It was just breaking apart the cereal. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up while we're waiting for the first set of 15 minutes, or while we're waiting for this whole hour. Let's go ahead and get some of this cleaned up because I created quite the mess.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my
next up, I think that turned out okay. We'll find out. It's got to cool on some paper towels for I don't know how long. It didn't really say. I think just basically until it's cool. But anyway, I hope as it cools, the flavor comes out, because right now there's like no flavor to it. And I'm really tempted to like sprinkle some garlic powder or something over it. So I'm trying not to. We'll see what happens. But next up is my mom's bean dip. So, which is super easy. It is literally, I double it. So I use 2 pounds of hamburger. I use a big thing of refried beans. And then I also use the big package of Mexican Velveeta. Basically, while the hamburger is browning on the stove, you melt some Velveeta with some milk in the microwave, mix the beans in, get it all nice and warm and gooey, and then add the hamburger, and there's your dip. So super easy, but still a staple for our New Year's. So we're gonna go ahead and get that made, and then hopefully by the time that is made, everything will be cooled down, and hopefully the weenies will be, or what are we calling these? I forget. I don't know. Little smokies. There we go. Hopefully everything will be done and ready to go.
But I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow still I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow fail. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I'm just trying to tell you. Wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I'm no longer going away. Right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show. I'm gonna let it show.
I'm walking around feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see.
Alrighty guys, so the bean dip is done. The little smokies are done, and the Chex Mix is done. So all I gotta do is cut up some summer sausage and cheese and make the charcuterie board, and we'll be ready for our New Year's
In
run.
your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. thing, this thing that we got grows stronger. Each day we're together. On the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's through this part of the year we have something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey. Say. Walking around, you and me. Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear. We're falling in love. It's true.
Alrighty guys, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for just giving me this chance in watching my videos, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, for sharing, for doing all the things. I have had so much fun with you guys this year for 2023, and I cannot wait to see what 2024 holds for my channel. I want to wish you all a happy, healthy, and safe New Year. Here is to 2024. Happy New Year's, guys.
And never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot, and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet, for days